When people first hear the name Baby Dodge, they usually assume it's just another flash in the pan meme coin, riding coattails of its famous predecessors, Dogecoin. But if you actually look under the hood of what the project is building today, you'll see it has a quietly evolved into a highly functional multi-chain Web3 ecosystem. Launched back in the summer 2021, Baby Doge is originally captured massive attention thanks to the viral internet culture and a few cryptic nods from tech influencers. However, the development didn't stop the hype while it started on the BNB chain. The project has aggressively scaled its infrastructure. It's now boasts incredibly cross-chain interoperability, allowing users to move and trade assets and seamless across major networks like Ethereum or Solana and Ton and Base. So when you look at the big picture, Baby Dodge isn't just an asset waiting around for a viral treat. It's a resilient, highly active community-driven movement that balances decentralized finance, multi-chain accessibility, and real-world philanthropy.